Well, algorithms and online application systems are making the hiring process more efficient, but if you're not formatting your application correctly, you may be getting passed up. Tiffany Kuehl is Director of HR at Verseek. She is here to talk about beating the bots and getting noticed in the digital hiring world. It's great to have you here today.
Thank you, Pat.
It's a different world. This is
Absolutely.
your world, helping others find these jobs. Explain what the process is in terms of ranking. What does that actually mean electronically? What happens?
Right. So what happens is when individuals submit applications or resumes online, the closer they are aligned with the job description or the more keywords they have in their resume, the closer to the top of the individual resumes or lists of applicants they will be. So the more you have in common with what the organization is looking for, the more likely it is your resume or application will be seen.
Let's talk about those keywords. And so
Yeah.
you research the company and the
Yep.
specific job to get
Yes.
the keywords?
You can, absolutely. And there isn't a widespread common keyword. It's usually by function or by industry. So med device has different keywords than that you would find in retail. So looking at the organization, looking at the industry, or even looking at job descriptions online, you can pull some of those common keywords out and then put them into your resume.
That begs that question. Then how do you increase your chances of being ranked higher? What are those things that we want to do?
The more keywords you have, the better chances you have of being pushed toward the top. And there's a little trick you can do. If you don't feel like you have enough information in your resume, you can also use white font. So at the bottom of your resume, you can use those keywords and kind of bolster your resume that way.
White font.
Yes. So you won't be able to see it with the naked eye, but the computer systems and the technology will pick up on that.
Well, that is a good trick right
Yes.
there. Although, let's talk about answering those pre-screen questions truthfully.
Yes, absolutely critical. The reason they're there is to help expedite the screening and selection process and to find the best candidate for consideration. If you knowingly falsify the responses, it will probably be found out pretty quickly that you don't know what you're talking about. So once you get to the conversation with a company representative, as they start asking you technical questions and you're not able to effectively respond, then you will be disqualified from the process.
Yours is a business with Verseek, then you aim at preparing people
We
and
absolutely do,
educating them
yeah.
to be able to answer all of that truthfully and to explore that.
Yes, and then we help them tweak their resumes as well. So as we're getting to know the candidates who are out looking for new opportunities, if we find that they're telling us things that they have accomplished that don't necessarily appear on their resume, we'll help them find ways to incorporate that.
Well, thank you. This has been good information here today.
Absolutely.
Great to see you, Tiffany Kuehl. More information you can find about Verseek and how you can start getting noticed on KARE11.com. You can also find it on the KARE11 app. Scroll down to the As Seen on TV icon. We're going to be right back.